What's up, guys? Today I'm going to just go over basic coin palming and a neat little vanish that I came up with somewhere. It's probably got a name, I don't know, but I'm going to go over it with some basic coin palming. So here we go. The most basic and probably oldest way to palm a coin is right here in the middle of the hand, in between the fat of the thumb here and the pinky area over here. So like here and here, and you just palm the coin. That's probably the oldest and most basic way to palm a coin, is in this method here. You take it, you toss the coin to the other hand, boom, coin didn't go. With a lot of practice, you can look really natural palming a coin like this, and no one will be able to tell that you even have a coin palmed in your hand. Palm number 2 is the finger palm position. I believe I brought it up in a previous video, and that's having the coin right here in between like the knuckles and the first joint of the finger here, and that's palming a coin kind of like Spider-Man finger palm position here. And that is finger palming right there. Boom, coin vanishes, coin reappears. So you've got the palm, normal palm here, and then finger palm. And I want to show a coin vanish that's got a totally different kind of palm. It probably has a name. I don't know where I learned it from. As far as I know, I made it up. But here we go. Here's what it looks like. You take the coin, you place it into the hand, and it vanishes. I'm holding the coin here right now. Let me show you how far this can go, though. You take it here, here, and then you're brushing the hand off. And now I've got the coin palmed back here in between the fat of my hand here and my thumb. And the coin is just kind of squeezed in there. And I'm brushing the hand off to show it empty. And it starts like this, into the hand, and then I move the coin all the way back in between the thumb and the fat of the hand here. The vanish works this way, though. What you're doing is you're taking the coin and placing it into this hand, and then you're moving your fingers over to grab the coin. Well, when you move your fingers over to grab the coin, what you're doing is you're using your middle finger and your thumb to literally grab the coin right out of the hand back here in this position. And in full speed it looks kind of like that, and you're pointing at the hand and looking at the hand when you do it, and then boom, boom, and you move it all the way back. Let me try to do it this way so you can see this. All the way back to the thumb position. It comes back and then back. So woom, woom, just like that. And you've got it palmed in between the thumb and fingers here. It looks this way. That's really slow, unpracticed. You could make this look a lot smoother if you were to practice it some. But that's a lot of what it would look like and what it is. That's the actual how to do it. It's just a matter of getting the timing down. But you don't have to take it all the way back to this palm position. All you have to do, it really, is move it in between your finger and thumb here and point, and it vanishes, and then you can make it reappear however you'd like. But the coin vanish looks a lot like that, you know? And there's the coin. Anyway, this is coin palming, basic palming here, and then the finger palm position when throwing a coin over. And then just a little coin vanish I made up, or learnt from somewhere, seen somewhere. So yeah, check out this coin magic. If you like the video, subscribe, press like, press the little bell to get instantly notified whenever I upload a new video. And take it easy.